If you've been wondering how to indent in Prezi, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move your text to the right, bring it back to the left, and make your Prezi text look much cleaner and more organized. This is especially helpful if you're building presentations with bullet points, structured notes, or anything that needs a little more visual hierarchy. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Prezi tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the slide or frame where your text is located. To start editing, double-click directly inside the text box. This puts you into edit mode, which is the only way you'll be able to make formatting changes to the text itself. Once you're inside the text box, take a moment to find the exact line or paragraph you want to indent. Next, highlight the specific line of text or the full paragraph you want to adjust. If you only want one line moved over, just select that line. If you want the whole section to shift together, make sure all of it is highlighted before moving on. This step matters because the indent change will only apply to whatever you have selected. Now look just above your canvas. You should see the formatting toolbar appear as soon as the text is active. This toolbar is where Prezi keeps the most important text tools, including indentation controls. What you want to look for is the Increase Indent icon. It usually looks like a right-facing arrow pushing the text lines over. Click the Increase Indent icon once and you'll see the selected text slide to the right. This is how you create a deeper indentation and give your content a more nested look. If you need more space, you can click it again to push the text further over. Just use it carefully so the formatting stays neat and readable. If you go too far, don't worry. Prezi also gives you a way to reverse it. To pull the text back toward the left margin, click the Decrease Indent icon. This one usually looks like a left-facing arrow. Every time you click it, the selected text shifts back a step, so you can fine-tune the layout until it looks exactly the way you want. A good tip here is to use indentation to separate main points from supporting details. That way, your presentation feels more structured and easier for your audience to follow. Even a small indent can make a big difference in how polished your Prezi looks. So just to recap, double-click inside the text box to enter edit mode, highlight the line or paragraph, find the formatting toolbar above the canvas, use Increase Indent to move text right, and use Decrease Indent to bring it back left. That's the simple process for indenting in Prezi. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I've got more step-by-step software guides coming soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.